What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something quite different, quite like almost last minute too. So I got a DM on Instagram. Well, if you know by the title or thumbnail already. If not, if that's not in the title or thumbnail, I'm gonna bleep this out. But Jack, Dirty Max Jack, hit me up and said he's gonna be in Cleveland for a meeting, and he said you want to meet up prior to his meeting tomorrow. So I was like, of course. So we got about a 40-minute drive to go meet up with him, but he did in fact bring the new 2020 Denali, so we're gonna check that out and have a good time, get a few pictures of the trucks together. My truck is so dirty. As you can see, it rained. The roads are now drying up like minutes before both trucks are going to be on camera, so that's just the weather for you. But yeah, we're headed out there, about a 40-minute drive, and should be a blast.
A lot smaller in person.
That's what everybody says.
I'll tell you what, man. It's nice to meet you, dude.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure, man.
Pleasure.
I'm glad we can meet up.
Wow. So even your pictures and your videos, I was like, your truck looks big, but like next to this, it still does.
You're literally just making me look like a little peanut. Like, straight up. I've just been completely dwarfed. It's fine. It's fine. I accept it completely.
Oh no.
So 6'7" Lime, Ryan Mayer.
Yes.
If I'm saying that correctly.
Yes. That
it's
is correct.
super cool, man. You're not from far away.
No.
So we were able to meet up.
Because I know I was telling him, I was like, I got a DM. I was like, you know what? Yeah, of course. Because like, this is what I feel like this stuff should all be about.
Dude, 100%, man. And it was like, I could be boring and sit at home at the hotel bar because they did have happy hour going for a little while. Yeah. I'm like, no, we got a network. This is a primal opportunity.
Exactly. And that's what like this is all about. Even just like, regardless, just social media in general. Bring people together. Oh,
so
man.
If you're into green vehicles, or even if you're not, you should be now.
Yes.
So go follow Ryan. He's got this really sick Cummins. It's G56. I already mentioned it. I already mentioned it. And he's also just got a brand new Hellcat that he brought onto the channel not too long ago.
Now, completely reverse. If you guys like white vehicles, that's all he owns.
I got a lot of them.
That's all he owns. That's all Jack owns. Second of all, I wanted to see these in person. I'll stand back because white paint's a little.
Yeah, it's a little dirty right now. Yeah, we've been traveling, and the polish is a little tarnished because of the good old rain.
I know, I saw your picture this morning. Wow. So this is probably the only truck that I honestly like chrome. It gets me. This thing looks awesome. I would never think that.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
I would never like, even though, I mean, obviously adding the white, but the rest of the chrome, like, I don't know if you're gonna color match the rest of it, but
so far so good.
Oh,
so far so good.
That looks incredible.
Thanks, man.
I
really appreciate it. It's come along and very usable. Never thought I'd see myself like running that small of a tire, but the 24, the bigger wheel is necessary. I will be lifting it eventually, but it's just a matter of we're early here, bro.
I know.
We're early here.
I know. How my thing is obviously gooseneck wise. How obviously your other one lifted. How does that work? Because like
this actually tows extremely well. I've had the new truck we just brought on the channel. I bought a 6.7 Power Stroke, a 2015 6.7. So I towed that with the gooseneck, and I'll tell you what, man, like I was like driving literally like that because I need airbags on the back, but it actually tows really well. Those are E-rated tires. Are those F?
So these are actually E as well.
Those are E as well.
But I went in there and changed my, so I don't have the tire light on.
Yeah.
Which is like, I wish.
Do they offer an F in that side?
No. That's
See, that they don't either with that. And it's like, okay, cool, 10 plies, come on HD trucks, I get it. Like that makes sense. I'm happy about that. Yeah. Would I prefer the 12 wide towing? Undoubtedly. Undoubtedly.
I'm even nervous with curbs, so like I don't know how like this to me, this would drive me nuts.
No, so we've got cameras on all angles that help to avoid curbs.
Okay.
So that's helpful. What was hilarious though is when you were like, all right, I know that I'm far away, but I don't want to get too close. Well, bro, you literally have 3 foot.
So here's the other thing. These sensors, they only work for objects at this height. It gets a little nerve-wracking, but I just, you know, just the size, I park at the best I can. Bro, I usually back in because you can see, but other than that,
when I pulled up, I'm like, well, this is great because we're in this small little town.
No, this is Willoughby. Willoughby.
There it is. All right, guys, so check this thing out. That's going to be my transition into cinematics.
That's fine.
We're the guys with the small babies.
Both of us.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah, it's a tiny dick club over here. That's priceless right there.
It's actually funny. So I was walking out of a restaurant one time, and someone's like, "Who's the small dick having?" And I'm like, "Me." He's like, "Oh." Like I was like walking to my truck. He's like, yep. He's like, "Oh, dude, I'm sorry."
Dude, admittedly, it's me. It's all good, brother.
I know.
It doesn't have anything to do with the trucks that I tow. It doesn't have anything to do with any of that. It doesn't have anything to do with the business. No. Just the tiny.
Yes, that's all it is. That's all it is. This is behind the art.
This is, how to be a YouTuber. The detail's super dope, dude.
Little things that I'm just like, the Instagram name at the last moment was just like, you know what, whatever.
I mean, if you're gonna do it, you might as well do it.
So it was funny. So Speed Pole.
Cali, yeah.
Yeah, he sat there and talked to me for about 2 hours. Great guy, awesome guy. I talked to him down in Daytona.
I'm listening. Don't worry.
I know, that's fine. I get it. No, I talked to him down in Daytona, and he's sitting there, and he's like, he would talk to D-Max Rhino, because Rhino runs the polls too. It was funny, because Rhino would always like mention you, and Speed Pole would come back to me talking about Rhino and you. So it's just funny. So it's just how everything works together.
It's amazing, like the connection. We actually spent time out at Top Golf at SEMA last year together. We're like bowling, drinking beers. It was awesome.
Yeah. He literally spares no shot. He gets it all. Oh man. So I just like looking at new suspensions because from what I've done in the past, it does look like the upper control arms are a little bit redesigned, stuff like that. I'd have to really get underneath it to see like what else is new lift kit wise. However, man, these 24s on 33s, I honestly thought they would look small, but the proportion looks so right, especially on this truck. Oh, it just looks absolutely sharp. And I was kind of, like I said, this is the only truck that chrome looks just phenomenal on. Oh, but I also kind of would want to see the whole thing color match, but I don't think you should touch it right now. I don't know how dirty it is or not, but
This thing is taller than you, man.
I know, like you can't, from down here, you can't see.
Well, I figured, you know, I got my step stool over here, which is my Denali. So.
Yes. People don't understand, like, it's awesome having a big truck. And obviously, I don't know if you've seen Rhino since he jacked it up more. Or
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
people don't understand, like, literally, you cannot see in the motor.
No, straight up. And I mean, I'm not tall by any means. Wow.
I know, it's like, it's up there. Same thing with the Wehrli under the hood. I just kind of, like, it just adds the touches. Oh, it's just awesome.
Well, I have a love for that Illusion purple because I had it on my LML
Yeah, I know.
way back in the day.
Yeah.
You go to this factory color is pretty cool.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. It's like, I was just, at first, I was so scared to even do that. At the end of the day, it works so well, and that's what everyone compliments on. Whether mostly the elderly, for some reason, they love it. They love it.
Represent.
Exactly. They're like, that's ridiculous. I love it. So, I mean, it's just like cool. Put miles on this.
2,500.
Already?
Yeah, so far. Towed twice with it. Don't know what else I'm going to do to it for the time being.
Yeah.
Happy with it so far, man. Well, and the thing is, honestly, dude, if you wanted to get a gooseneck, it'd have to be purple, and it would literally have to have a 6-inch or 6-foot extension on the neck. So straight up, bro, like.
So that's how it would work? Because I've always wondered how that would work.
Yeah, it would have to.
You can, okay.
I don't know if you could customize it. I don't know about like structural integrity or rigidity or whatnot, but it would have to.
I know. That's what I've always thought of, because like I said, I towed a camper with that thing, and it wasn't the worst thing in the world, but it's also like I feel like a gooseneck's like.
Do you still have what's in the back? Bag?
No,
it's
coilovers.
coil. So it's the factory coil just extended with your Fox shocks.
So it's actually it's now sitting on coilovers all four corners. So those buckets, which are completely dirty, you take your coils out and you mount the coilovers there.
Oh, yeah, you're not putting airbags on this.
I want to be honest.
Does it squat real bad?
No.
No?
No.
Can you just stiffen these?
Actually, that's what I should have done, because I'm driving down the highway and the rear end's like floating.
Yeah.
But yeah, you just stiffen those up, and honestly, I'm so glad I went with the adjustable ones.
Dude, honestly, can we go for a ride in this thing before it gets dark? I kind of want to go for a ride. Let's go. Because it's massive.
We're gonna try and keep our spots, playing with traffic.
Hopefully he's got some steps. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, otherwise I am screwed. There's gonna be no way I'd be able to get up into this thing.
That's right.
Damn! I feel like I'm on top of the world right now. Jesus, this guys, videos do no justice to the actual scale of this truck. It's straight up freaking massive. Purple seat belts, nice touch, my friend.
Oh yeah, you gotta do it all.
This guy is all about the details. Look at him go! Oh my goodness. The first question that I feel like you probably get asked a lot when people see this is, get attention from the police.
So that's actually crazy, because that is the first question I always get, and the answer is, I've had one cop pull up next to me, go over his intercom, like I like obviously freaking out. It's nighttime, roll my windows down.
You're like, no,
tint and everything, yeah. He's like, badass truck, and then he turned left. So I was like, oh yeah,
dude, that's awesome.
I know. So I don't know where we're gonna go, but we're just gonna
We're good, man. We're sending it.
That's
the reactions this thing sparks are insane.
Oh yeah, I love it, especially rolling through towns like this. Waves, pictures, looks.
I'm like, what the?
I know. I'm just gonna put this down and drive, because I don't want you to enjoy this.
I just wanted to add some quick commentary for everybody that watches Ryan's YouTube channel. Photos and videos don't do this truck justice. This is my raw, uncanny first impression, and I need to say, like, hey, he's done a really great job of building a very unique truck. Very well built, though. It's not like he cut any corners with this thing. It rides really well for being as large as it is. It's got a really cool factor, and it is massive. Video doesn't do any evidence or justice justice to that. And it was really cool. We were just shooting out around. He's just kind of taking me out for a spin around Ohio here at Buckeye Nation. I'm not going to say I'm a Penn Stater, but I totally am. It's awesome. I just had to give you guys just a too little lick of sense, if you will, as to how rad this truck actually is. And what's going to be cool is, now that I know Ryan, basically knew Ryan already over the internet. I mean, I didn't even meet the guy, but I pretty much already knew the guy. That's the beauty of the internet. We'll be chilling in SEMA come November. So I'll see y'all soon. Take care.
Playing with traffic again. Our spots were saved, so that's what was awesome. Honestly, love the look of the 2020s. In person, it doesn't do it justice. Like, this thing is sharp. So that's with the clutch out.
Oh yeah, you can barely even hear it.
In, out.
That's nothing.
So it said if the temp's right, yeah, but there's times.
That's really good.
I know, there's times where it's like a little obnoxious.
66 is where it's at if you want to buy yourself a manual truck.
But it's like.
Let's hear this beast.
Okay. Yeah, these 6.7s are like so quiet compared to 5.9s, but it's like, I actually enjoy it.
I like it.
Nah, I gotta hop out, not get hit. Is this the same height as your other truck?
Yes, as my 5-inch on my LML. Yep, it is.
Holy cow.
Yep, that's the crazy thing, dude. I know. Like, stock-wise, if you were stock, this thing would triumph that.
That's what's crazy, because I'm like looking at this and I'm like, so like to me now this is lifted. Like 5-inch, 6-inch lifts, they look stock to me, which is crazy.
Yep.
But it drives me like almost nuts, because I'm like, that looks amazing. But it's just like, that looks stock.
Yeah, it's kind of like that. It's like a bulldoggy Street Fighter look.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like that's like my signature thing, is like I try to keep the trucks as low and as wide as possible.
Yeah.
But still while maintaining like that functionality, because I obviously have to use them.
Yeah.
I like it. I am going to lift this truck eventually. I do want to go with a bigger tire setup on it. I'd honestly love to go 20 because bro, like, I mean, you be the judge. Does that look like a 14 wide?
No, but like, okay, so 14 wide and 14 wide.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, they're both 14 wide.
So like, this body is just so big, it's overarched. I would like to see a 20 like a
Yeah.
that'd look pretty fly. I think.
I know.
So maybe like a 6-inch, and I'll try and pull off. But
yeah.
Only time will tell.
Yes. Really. But still, that looks awesome.
So what are your honest opinions about like the truck in person?
In person, it looks awesome.
I didn't want to set you up for that. You can be honest.
No, I'm gonna be honest.
Okay, all
so
right.
it looks awesome. I do like it, and people even sit there and they'll hate on these mirrors. But my thing is, like, I can't be one to complain. I like the.
Yeah, and it's cool. Like, it's got little features like that.
Yeah.
You can do that remote. And like lit up, like everything's OLED. And
Oh yeah, I know.
slick and
So that's what's awesome about these. I love the mirrors. People, I don't know why people hate them.
why the hell did GM decide to change them?
Yeah.
But at the same, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Obviously, this completely changes the look of the truck. These light up, right? So my thing is, you gotta find someone that gets like clear lenses for those.
Or just paint match them.
Also,
Like
true.
I was
So-
thinking like paint match this.
Yeah.
Like make it like level, paint match it, but then like not make this whole thing LED. Just have like one little strip where
Yes.
it shows through. That's it.
So so on my charger, that was an option through
Yeah,
Oracle.
similar.
Oracle.
Yeah, right. Yep.
So Oracle lights, they do the ghost thing. That would be neat.
It was definitely just the GM engineer. Like, I know how to be different.
Yeah.
I know how. That's how we're gonna be different.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? But dude, let's go get some food. I gotta pee like a
Yes.
racehorse.
That's fine. Well, guys, that ends the night. We just got some dinner. I'm about to roll out of here, but awesome guy, awesome connections. This is what it's about. Meeting people, meeting up with other content creators, just hearing their side of the story and stuff like that. And honestly, it's just freaking sweet.
Oh, no focus. Very anticlimactic. It's not focusing right now.
Here, let it focus. I'll back up.
Oh no, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're good.
I can go for. Let's see ya. Dang, that thing looks good.
Thought I had a big truck until right now.
I know. Honestly, your truck is big, but this is just bigger. That's all. So guys, just literally got back where we just parked after meeting with Jack, and I'm gonna tell you, life-changing. Literally, we talked about a lot. Overall, awesome guy. Literally the guy behind the camera, same guy in person. That's what's awesome. And honestly, this is what the social media is all about. Meeting up, linking up with people, and like there's simple things that we would talk about, and he said something completely a different way I would have ever thought, and it honestly just opened my mind to like a whole new realm of things. And people need more of that in their lives. They need to see the other side and see the other, like, people's perspectives and different people's motives and stuff like that, because it honestly just opened my mind up to things like, oh, I would have never thought of it like that. Like I said, I met so many people in Columbus just through Instagram, not even YouTube. And I also met so many people, it's Florida, Georgia, all like Dalton, That White Bowtie, JW from PA, Dirty Max Jack, Beast Projects, talk to Everything Diesel. There's so many people. I'm out there talking to all these YouTubers, and it just, you're seeing different sides of things. Everyone has their own taste, their own builds, their own way of using their channel as a, you know, an outlet. As for the 2020 Denali, that truck is hot, man. That truck is so hot. Like I said, it's one of the only trucks I would actually respect to have chrome on. It looks pretty darn good. Check out his channel. Link will be in the description below. That was honestly, I would say, Jack, obviously you're going to be watching this. I just want to say thank you for not only that opportunity, but even a little DM just like that. Mean, hey, want to catch dinner? I know you're in Ohio, stuff like that. It honestly means a lot. Like I said, this is what it's about. So I just want to say thank you for that. It was an awesome time, and just keep doing what you're doing. But guys, I'm gonna close it out here. It's getting late. It is 12 in the morning. Check out Jack's channel. If you haven't been to my channel or his channel before, get down there, click subscribe, shoot both videos a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for your support, and we'll see you next time.